Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, and today I'm coming to you with a package delivery, an unboxing. If you're interested in seeing what I received this month in my Grove Collaborative box, you know what to do, stick around. First off, let me say, if this is your first time visiting my channel, feel free to click that red subscribe button you see down below. Then a bell will appear. Click that bell and you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for coming back. You know you have my heart. Now on with the video. Now I'm going to share the items with you that I received in my Grove Collaborative box. Now we're going to start off with some oldies but goodies. I ordered another Method antibiotic toilet bowl cleaner. I really like this. It's the antibacterial toilet bowl cleaner. I like this. I like to keep my stock up. My daughter hit my supply, so I had to replace that one. And then the next item I ordered was the basil and blue sage linen spray. I'm really starting to like this spray. The scent, let me show you. I really like this. It makes the bedroom smell so good when you make up the bed and you pull back the sheets. And oh my God, the smell is wonderful. I love the scent of this one. Next item I purchased were some fog gray dish towels or kitchen towels. If you know, my kitchen is mostly gray and white, so I thought these would be a good add into my kitchen stable towels. I'm trying to change the color theme in there, but predominantly it's going to be gray and white, but I want to get different kind of linen to go in the kitchen. So this is a new item that I am excited about trying. Now the next thing I did was I reordered some of these brown pads from Grove. Reason why it's not in the package, because I'd already taken it out and put it in the kitchen. Yeah. And then I remembered I hadn't filmed. But I ordered me a package of the refills of these brown scrub pads. I like these. And a new item is this. I had seen this on another lady's channel, and I had been looking for something to put my sponge in, you know, when you do dishes, so the kitchen wouldn't look so thrown off. So I saw this on Grove, and it's just like the one for the brush. It has a little pad in it that when you put the water and soap in, you can put your sponge in to clean your dishes or clean whatever you want to do in the kitchen. And it really goes well with the other white porcelain items I have on my sink to go with my gray and white thing. See? Gray, white, gray, white. I know that seems retarded, but so here are my items that I purchased this month in my Grove Collaborative box. If you're interested in finding out more about Grove Collaborative, I am an influencer for Grove Collaborative, and I have a link down below. And you can click on that link and go to their site and explore. They have wonderful products. Not only do they have Method, they have Mrs. Myers, and they have other items as well. And I think you would really love what they have to offer. So if you enjoyed my short video on Grove Collaborative Haul, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. Also, follow me on my social media accounts. They should be listed on the screen below as well as in the description box. And as always, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.